Come on guys, today let me show you a light book that applied everywhere. If you are running business, don't miss it. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the link below the video to stay updated with the latest business growing tips. Look at this A-shaped and double-sided light books. The glowing effect is more eye-catching than a traditional display racks, better than an LCD TV. Easy to change posters, very simple, support outdoor use, super convenient. Place it in the entrance, eye-catching enough to attract more customers. Stable, and the size can be customized, foldable and portable. What about getting one of these to make your shops evident on the street and easy for people to find? No matter what your business is, lcsign can help you grow. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel. Do that for us right now. Hit that like button and comment below. Thanks for watching. See you next time and follow lcsign.